you want to become certified PMP and you have already taken the training, or you may have given the exam. Now you cannot join any batch program because your work schedule does not allow you, but you still have that dream of becoming certified PMP in this year, in 2020. What if I tell you, if you can give me daily only 1 to 2 hours on a normal days and 3 to 4 hours on weekend, you can become PMP. Even sometimes it is even less than that. Yes, it seems like too good to be true. Let's work out how we can make sure. First of all, this is called my one-to-one mentor program. Now we have modified this program for students for 7 days, 14 days, even 21 days. So it does not matter in how many days you want to clear, as long as you are willing to give us the commitment that you and I discuss. I'll make sure that you become PMP in the given time, in your time frame. Let me share how basically I'm gonna work with you. Now this is especially for those people who have already taken that training or have given the exam. If you are new to PMP, I do recommend you look at my batch program. One-to-one I highly recommend for the students who have already taken that training. What I will do, I will talk to you at one-to-one, and then I'll give you one of my video of entire PMP in 2 hours. You will go through that pertinent video to look at the overview of PMP. Once you have watched that video, I'm gonna give you my 60 questions mock. You will solve that 60 question mock. I'm gonna evaluate with you from this 60 question. I'm gonna look at that, so what do you know and what you don't know. Peter Drucker, one of the biggest management thinker, used to say that we don't measure, and I'm a big believer of something. If you measure, you can improve it. So I'm gonna measure, I'm gonna evaluate where do you stand actually, so that I can improve from that pertinent domain. I have a stand, now that is your score. Your score can be like in this question 75%, or it can be 50%. From that, I will start working on that. How I will work? First, I'll go with the agile topic. Most of the time, even if you have done CSM, that is Certified Scrum Master, people suffer from the agile in PMP. I will work on your agile. PMP exam is predominantly towards hybrid methodology, and agile is the foundation on which hybrid stand. So I'm gonna work with you on agile. First, I'm gonna share you one of my video. Once you have watched the video, you understood the video, then you and I gonna sit one-to-one, discuss that. Then I'm gonna give you 50 questions of agile. You are gonna solve it, and then 200 questions of agile. Yes, you may be thinking, so many questions for agile. Yes, this is my way to make sure you become PMP in this attempt. This is my way to understand that you do PMP in the minimum possible time. Now once these agile questions is done, it will also influence what is gonna come after this thing. We are gonna work on your stakeholder, communication, and team topic. These 3 topics, stakeholder, communication, and team topic, they combining with the agile, I have to say, is the 90% of the PMP exam. And this is a feedback of 350 plus certified PMP in 2022. I'm gonna work on this, I'm gonna make this, and then I'm gonna give you 6 simulated mocks. You are gonna go solve 6 simulated mocks that will make sure that this portion is 100% fine. Then we are gonna work on the risk plus quality plus procurement, and I'm gonna share 50-50 question for these topics. Then scope, schedule, cost, and we are gonna solve 25 questions on this topic. Then business environment plus integration, again 50 question on this. Then I'm gonna give you my PMI ATP mocks and another simulator that will make sure your time management works in that way. Each and everything I will be customizing according to your need. Now which 50 question I'll give, I'll modify it depending upon your knowledge. Which 60 question you have to do, that I will modify. Now you may say that it will take a lot of time. Actually it will not. It will take 3 to 4 hours on weekend and 1 to 2 hours on daily days, and in 30 days you can easily clear PMP. Straightforward. I would even say here, become PMP in 30 days or get your money back. Straightforward. Then let's say you want to do PMP in 2 weeks. What I need your 6 hours. I'm gonna cut some of the questions, I'm gonna modify that, and I'm gonna work into that domain that you can become PMP in 21 days or 20 days or 15 days, 14 days, even PMP in 10 days. But with 10, I need 8 hours a day, the working hours. This will become 80 hours, something like that. Now this is your thing, what you want to have, how fast you want to do PMP. Let me put it this thing, you don't have to read any books in my program, and don't bring that thing like, oh, am I learning this thing or not? When you are solving the question and doing the root cause analysis and making mind map, I'll make sure you understand each and everything in depth. That is my job, that is my thing. That is why my success rate is 99.8%, and that is why I'm the best PMP trainer in the world. That is why I'm gonna make sure you become PMP. The cost for this one-to-one training program is $999, and of course PMP exam fees is not included in it, which is $545. If you are looking for something a little bit less expensive, you can join my batch program. The cost is $499, or you can also look at my hourly coaching. My hourly coaching is $100 per hour. So in that hourly coaching, I will give you like one session of 1 hour or 30 minutes depending upon your requirement. Now it is your decision. You want to become PMP in 2022 or not? If you want to become PMP, this is the program, my one-to-one mentor program that will make sure you become PMP. See you on the other side. My goal is to get 500 PMP in 2022, and I'm gonna achieve it. Are you gonna achieve your goal of becoming PMP in 2022 or not?